Watching how the waves cross over each other here. Show me again, look at that. I'm now sinking in the sand. I could sit here for hours just watching the waves. There's another one of those sea creature-y monsters lying in there. That's its tail and its face. This is hilarious. It's actually quite cool in the water. I've got a couple of either diehards or people from a cold climate. I'm taking photos of the seagull's reflection. That's so cool. That is so awesome. Yeah. I like to find random things. Graham wants to release it back to the water. Okay, let's see if you can do it then.
I don't know how.
You're going to just pick it up.
I'm not picking it up.
Okay, it's being released back to the water. It looks happy. And that concludes today's walk. Bye.